Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore HubSpot workflows after rollback to previous version, full guide step by step clearly. To restore HubSpot workflows after rolling back to a previous version, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Go to your marketing dashboard and navigate to the workflows section. Locate the specific workflow you need to restore. Click on the workflow to open it. Look for the Versions tab on the upper right corner of the workflow screen. Click on the Versions tab to view the list of all workflow versions. Identify the version you wish to restore. Once you've found it, click on the version to review its details. Check the changes made in this version to confirm it meets your needs. If you are satisfied, look for the option to restore this version. Click on the Restore this version button to initiate the process. A prompt will appear, asking for confirmation to restore. Confirm the action by clicking on the appropriate button in the prompt. The workflow will then revert back to the selected version. After restoration, review the workflow settings and details to ensure everything is set correctly. Test the workflow to verify it functions as expected. Make any necessary adjustments before finalizing your changes. And that's how you restore HubSpot workflows after a rollback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.